These are 10 budget tire brands that quietly outperform premium names like Michelin, Goodyear, and Bridgestone without the premium price tag. In this video, we're breaking down exactly which brands deserve your attention, why they got overlooked in the first place, and what makes them worth considering the next time you're staring at a wall of options at the tire shop. Why budget tires get ignored. Most drivers walk into a tire shop and gravitate toward the names they already know. It's a natural instinct. You trust what's familiar, especially when it comes to something as safety critical as the 4 points of contact between your car and the road. But that instinct comes with a cost. Manufacturing standards across the tire industry have improved significantly over the years. Rubber compounds, silica technology, and tread engineering have advanced to the point where several mid-tier and budget brands now perform within striking distance of premium tires, sometimes matching them in traction, durability, and noise control. Some budget and premium tires are even reported to share manufacturing relationships, with claims that certain brands are made in the same factories or fall under the same parent companies, though the specifics of those arrangements deserve a closer look before you take them as gospel. With that context in mind, let's get into the 10 brands worth your attention. Kumho Tire. Kumho currently ranks as the #1 value pick among budget tire brands in a 2026 industry ranking, earning a quality rating of 7.91 out of 10. That's not a coincidence. This is a brand with real history behind it. Kumho was founded in September 1960 as Samyang Tire Company Limited in Gwangju, South Korea. The founder, Incheon Park, started the company after struggling to source quality tires for his own transport business called Gwangju Transport. The company produced its first tire in January 1961, and by November 1976, it became the first Korean tire maker to hit 1 million tires produced in a single year. In February 1994, Kumho became the first Korean tire supplier to receive ISO 9001 certification, and the company later listed on the Korea Stock Exchange in 2005. Ownership changed hands more recently. In July 2018, Kumho was acquired by the Chinese company Qingdao Double Star Company Limited, ending its long-standing affiliation with the Kumho Asiana Group. Today, the company operates manufacturing plants across South Korea, including Pyeongtaek, Gokseong, and Gwangju, along with plants in China and research centers in Akron, Ohio, and Birmingham, England. Reviewers point to Kumho as a brand known for massive warranties and smooth highway comfort, making it a favorite among budget-focused drivers. Vredestein. Sitting at #2 on the value rankings, Vredestein actually posts the highest quality rating in this entire list at 8.60 out of 10. This Netherlands-based brand, owned by Apollo Tires, keeps showing up across multiple 2026 budget tire guides for one model in particular, the Quatrack and Quatrack 5 all-season lines, which are repeatedly recommended for daily drivers looking for dependable, all-weather performance without the premium price. Firestone. Firestone ranks 3rd on the value list with an 8.46 rating, and it's one of the most recognizable names on this entire list, which makes its budget positioning a little surprising to some viewers. Its lineup spans multiple categories: the Weather Grip for daily driving, the Firehawk Indy 500 for performance applications, the Destination A/T for SUVs, and the Winter Force 2 for cold weather traction. That range is part of why Firestone keeps appearing across nearly every major budget tire roundup published in 2026. Falcon Tire. Falcon comes in at #4 with a rating of 8.65, and it has earned a reputation as a cult favorite, particularly in the all-terrain category. Reviewers consistently describe Falcon as costing hundreds less than premium rivals, while still delivering strong performance for drivers who need off-road capability without off-road pricing. General Tire. General ranks 5th with a rating of 8.61. This brand shows up again and again in budget tire content throughout 2026, with the Ultimax RT43 and RT45 models, along with the G-Max RS, consistently named as standout value picks for everyday drivers. Toyo Tires. Toyo sits at #6 with a rating of 8.29, and it's flagged in industry rankings as a brand worth watching closely. Toyo has built its reputation specifically among truck and SUV owners, balancing off-road strength with a surprisingly quiet ride for daily commuting, a combination that's hard to find at this price point. Continental. Continental actually holds the highest individual quality rating of the entire list at 8.66, landing at number 7 overall. It's a reminder that even some brands considered more premium in public perception are increasingly showing up in budget-value conversations, thanks to how the pricing landscape has shifted. Yokohama Tire. Yokohama ranks 8th with a rating of 8.44. It's frequently described as offering sporty handling and excellent tread balance without the luxury price tag. The Yokohama Avid Touring S has been specifically highlighted in 2026 comparison videos as one of the standout budget picks for drivers who want a bit more responsiveness from their daily driver. Cooper Tire. Cooper comes in 9th with a rating of 8.54, and like Toyo, is flagged as a brand worth watching in the current market. It continues to hold its ground in budget rankings even as ownership consolidation reshapes the broader tire industry. Hankook Tire. Rounding out the list at number 10 is Hankook, with a rating of 7.49. This South Korean manufacturer is headquartered in Songnam-si and produces approximately 102 million tires annually, a scale that puts it among the larger manufacturers on this entire list, even at the number 10 spot. The Hankook Kinergy GT has been specifically named the top pick in at least one 2026 roundup of the best budget tires available. Honorable mentions worth knowing. A few other brands are worth keeping on your radar, even though they didn't crack the main value rankings. Nexen Tire has one of the more interesting backstories in this entire list. It was originally established in 1942 as Hyung-A Tire Company, making it one of the oldest tire manufacturers in Korea. The war disrupted early production, and its first Korean-made tire wasn't actually produced until August 1956. The company went through several transformations over the decades, briefly operating as Woosung Tire following a technology partnership with Michelin between 1987 and 1991, before finally rebranding as Nexen Tire Corporation in 2000, with the name derived from Next Century. By 2010, Nexen held roughly 20% of the domestic tire market share in South Korea. Its Nexen N-Fera SU1 and Wingard Ice Plus models continue to show up in budget tire comparisons today. Nokian Tires also deserves a mention, particularly for drivers in cold climates. It's been called the undisputed leader in winter traction among budget-conscious options. And Laufen, which operates as a Hankook-linked sub-brand, along with names like Aturo, Milestar, Kenda, and Fullway, continue to build reputations in more specific niches like SUV and light truck applications. What ties all 10 of these brands together is a simple pattern. They've invested in manufacturing quality and technology while keeping costs down, often by spending less on marketing than the household names you already recognize. That's not a knock against premium brands. It's just a reminder that the price tag alone isn't a reliable measure of what's actually holding your car to the road. If you've been assuming that spending more automatically means getting more, these 10 brands make a strong case that the tire industry has changed more than most drivers realize. The real question isn't which name is on the sidewall, it's whether the tire matches how and where you actually drive.